an enormous amount of processing that takes place on the retina, right after the retina, where the problem is as follows. You got two eyes. The back of the eyes are flat. Okay, so you got two images. Like you had a slide projector against a wall, there's an image for you. But now it's the world coming through the lens in your eye, being projected in the back of the eye. Okay? Problem is, how do you take these two flat representations and reconstruct three-dimensional objects? So think about that. It's not just that it's two-dimensional. That's a problem. But also, how do you figure out what's an object and what's the background? How do you organize the input so that you get the pieces right, so that you can then later match those to the thing you've got stored in memory to try to figure out what's out there? Here's a hand. That's a pretty good, familiar-looking hand. Here's a hand. If you just saw this by itself, it might take a little while to figure out what it was, or something like that. Okay, objects can contort. Many objects can contort in various ways. They can be partially hidden. They can be seen from funny points of view. Okay, various other problems. Vision is an extremely difficult problem. The brain seems to have solved that problem by a strategy of divide and conquer. It breaks the big problem down into a bunch of smaller problems, which are easier to solve. And the main outlines of how it breaks down the problem are now becoming known.